Students, previous video you are learned exercise 5.2 first problem to third problem. Now fourth problem. What is the slope of a line perpendicular to the line joining A of 5, 1 and P? Yes, where P is the midpoint of the segment joining 4, 2 and minus 6, 4. Students, listen. We want to find slope of a perpendicular line to the line joining A and P. Yes, the P is the midpoint of these 2 points. Okay, these 2 points. So first you have to find midpoint. P point we have to find. P of x comma y we have to find. Using these 2 points you have to find midpoint of P. Then you have to apply the slope formula for A of 5, 1 and this P point. Okay, students. Listen, students. First you have to find the value of P. Yes, the point, the coordinate of P we have to find. Yes, here mentioned P is the midpoint of the segment joining 4, 2 and minus 6, 4. Okay, so that is P is the midpoint of the segment joining 4, 2 and minus 6, 4. You have to taken from the question. Now you have to write the formula. Midpoint of x1, y1 and x2, y2. What is the formula, students? X1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. It is 2, not 8. Okay, it is 2. So, we have to find the midpoint P of x, y. So, it is x1, y1, x2, y2. It is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. It is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now, you have to substitute in the formula 4 plus minus 6 by 2, 2 plus 4 by 2. So, these two have different signs. So, for what is this simplified value? Minus 2. For this is minus 2 by 2, 6 by 2. Yes, students? Yes, this is equal to. So, now you have to make cancel 1, 2 is 2, 1, 2 is 2, 1, 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. So, minus 1, 3. Okay, for this P point is minus 1, 3. So, now you have to apply the slope formula for AP. Yes, for this is the, we have to find this line. Yes, students, what is the slope of a line perpendicular to the line joining? For this one, slope we want to find. Yes, it is x1, y1, it is x2, y2. So, now you have to apply the formula. When 2 points are given, you have to use the slope formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So, that is equal to 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 1. So, it is then x2 is minus 1 minus 5. Yes. So, that is 3 minus 1 is 2. Same sign you have to add. It is minus 6. 1, 2 is 2. It is 1, 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. So, minus 1 by 3. Slope of AP is equal to minus 1 by 3. Now, fifth question. Show that the given points are collinear. 3 points are given minus 3, minus 4, 7, 2, 12, 5. You have to consider this is point A, B, C. So, how you have to prove these 3 points are collinear? Slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Suppose it is A, B, C. Slope of AB. You have to consider these 2 points and find slope. Then you have to consider these 2 points and find slope. Then you have to compare the 2 slope answers. The 2 are equal. We say the given points are collinear. Okay, students? First you write the vertices are A of minus 3, minus 4, B of 7, 2, C of 12, 5. First you have to find slope of AB. So, AB you have to write, that is A of minus 3, minus 4, B of 7, 2. Right at side you have to denote x1, y1. This is x2, y2. You have to substitute in the formula. Okay. First you write the formula. The formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is y2? 2. Minus of minus 4. Yes, by x2 is 7. X1 is minus 3. Minus of minus 3. So that is minus of minus, minus into minus plus 2 plus 4, 6. minus into minus plus. So 7 plus 3, 10. So that is 2 is a common factor. 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. So 3 by 5. Next slope of BC. You have to consider B and C. So the B point is 7 comma 2. C point is 12 comma 5. Right at side. Okay. For it is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So you have to write y2 formula. Already you wrote in the beginning, So you no need to write it again. Okay. So that is y2 5 minus 2. Yes. That is, sorry, it is, I wrote here, it is y1. Okay, students. So now x2 is 12 minus 7. x1 is 7. So 5 minus 2, 3. 12 minus 7, 5. So now you have to check the answers. Slope of AB is equal to 3 by 5. Slope of BC is equal to 3 by 5. So slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Therefore, the points A, B and C lie on the same line. So they are collinear. Okay. Now sixth question, if the 3 points 3 comma minus 1, a comma 3 and 1 comma minus 3 are collinear, find the value of a. Collinear means, for you have to find two slopes are equal. Suppose here it is a, b, c, slope of a, b is equal to slope of b, c. Comparing that slope values and we have to find this unknown point. Listen students, in the question itself given these 3 points are collinear. Collinear, we are applied in the previous problem. Slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Yes. So that is the slope formula you have to write y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. The points it is vertices. What are the vertices? A, B, C. So it is, you have to find the slope of AB. You have to consider these two. Yes students. Students, first you write the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Right at side the point A of 3 comma minus 1, B of A comma 3. Then you have to consider BC, A comma 3, 1 comma minus 3. You have to denote x1 y1, x2 y2. For this part x1 y1, it is x2 y2. Now you have to write in the formula. For this y2 minus y1, y2 is 3 minus of minus 1 by x2 is A, x1 is 3. That is equal to, for here y2 is minus 3, y1 is 3. So formula we have 1 minus. So minus 3 minus 3. Then x2 is 1, x1 is a minus a. So minus into minus plus. So 3 plus 1 4 by a minus 3. Same sign. Add minus 6 by 1 minus a. Then you have to make a cross multiplication. Okay. Cross multiplication, that is 4 into 1 minus a is equal to minus 6 into a minus 3. So 4 minus 4a is equal to minus 6a plus 18. So now you have to transpose this side. Now you have to arrange the variable one side, constant one side. Minus 4a, this minus 6a transposed to left hand side, it's become plus 6a. 18, this 4 transposed to right hand side, minus 4. So that is minus 4 plus 6. So that is 2a is equal to 18 minus 4, 14. So that is 2a is equal to 14. 1 2 is 2, 7 2s are 14. So a is equal to 7. Listen students, seventh question. The line through the points minus 2 comma a and 9 comma 3 has slope minus 1 by 2. Find the value of a. Student, it is very important question. What is given in the question? The line passing the points minus 2 comma a and 9 comma 3, slope is given minus 1 by 2. Okay, line passing or joining the points. Okay, any one word you have to use. Line passing the points minus 2 comma a and 9 comma 3. Write the slope formula. Slope is denoted by m. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. The points, it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2. Okay, so you have to denote, it is x1 y1, x2 y2, y2 minus y1, that is 3 minus a by 9 minus of minus 2. Okay, so that is 3 minus a by 9 minus of minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2, because slope is given minus 1 by 2. Okay, so that is minus 3 by minus. Students, you have to simplify this. Okay, 3 minus a by 9 plus 2, 11 is equal to 1 by 2. then you have to make a cross multiplication. Okay, 2 into 3 minus a is equal to minus 1 into 11. Okay, so that is 6 minus 2a. 6 minus 2a is equal to minus 11. So this 6 minus 2a is equal to minus 11. This 6 you have to transpose to right hand side. So minus 2a is equal to minus 11 minus 6. So that is equal to minus 17. So both side minus minus cancel. So a is equal to 17 by 2.